Think you know your animals? Welcome to the Knowledge Vault quiz. I'll show you an animal picture, and you'll have 3 options to choose from. Stay sharp, keep score, and see if you can get all 26 right. Let's jump in. Which animal is this? Take a good look. The right answer is armadillo. Which animal do you think this is? They live in troops and are known for their loud calls. The correct answer is baboon. Here's your next animal. Can you guess which one this is? The answer is cheetah, the fastest land animal on Earth. Who's this aquatic friend? If you said dolphin, you're right. Drop a comment if you love dolphins, and let's move on. Check out this big bird. Can you name it? It's an emu, native to Australia, and one of the largest birds that can't fly. Here's a pink bird for you to identify. If you guess flamingo, you're spot on. Their color comes from the food they eat. Who's this powerful primate? It's a gorilla, one of our closest animal relatives. Can you name this scavenger known for its unique laugh? It's a hyena. Their calls can sound like human laughter. Which antelope is this? It's the impala. Hit the like button if you learned something new. Guess this cunning canine. It's a jackal, known for its adaptability and scavenging. Which cuddly marsupial is this? The koala. They sleep up to 20 hours a day. Can you identify this primate with big eyes? It's a lemur, native to Madagascar and known for its agility. Name this gentle sea creature. It's a manatee, also called a sea cow. Subscribe for more quizzes. Here's a tiny insect eater from Australia. It's a numbat, famous for eating thousands of termites a day. Which playful swimmer is this? It's an otter, known for using tools to open shells. Guess this big cat is native to the Americas. It's a puma, also called a mountain lion. Which small, happy-looking marsupial is this? It's a quokka, famous for its smile and friendly nature. Can you name this masked bandit of the night? It's a raccoon. How many animals have you guessed correctly so far? Tell me below. Which elegant water bird is this? It's a swan, known for its beauty and grace on lakes. Name this slow-moving reptile with a hard shell. It's a tortoise, built for a long life. Who's this mysterious bird with a unique crest? It's an umbrella bird. Stay tuned for more amazing animals. Which monkey is this? It's a vervet monkey, common in Africa and known for its social behavior. Can you name this giant with tusks? It's a walrus, a marine mammal living in Arctic waters. Here's a tricky one. Which small bird is this? It's a xenops, a little-known tropical bird. Name this powerful fish that's a favorite for sport fishing. It's the yellowfin tuna, fast swimmers of the ocean. And finally, which animal is this? It's a zebu, a type of cattle with a distinctive hump, common in South Asia. Thanks for playing. Comment your total score and subscribe for more quizzes.